Hello, welcome once again to our YouTube channel. Today we will create a transition, in which, the walking man in the first clip, reveals the second clip. For this, we have taken two clips. Let's play the first clip. You will notice that this man is actually covering the whole screen while moving from right to left here. Here we will reveal the second clip along with his walking. This is the second clip we want to reveal. For this, move to exact position where this man is revealing the second part of the screen. Now select the first clip and go to Effects Control Panel. Select the pen tool for masking. And also reduce the scale of the clip. Now create freeform mask with pen tool near to man backside. You will see whole screen as black. Select inverted checkbox in the mask properties. This will display all, but hide, the masking area. Now move the clip to next frame. And also adjust the masking, so that the screen after man is completely masked. Also make a keyframe for this masking by clicking Mask Path. Now move frame by frame and adjust the mask area for the whole clip so that it covers the complete area after the man's backside. It may take some time, so please have patience. Once done, you will see the keyframes are created for the whole mask path we did. Now reset the scale size, which we have reduced earlier. Now, let's play the clip from the beginning. Masking seems to be fine, but in a hurry, we have done some inconsistencies in masking. Let's correct them frame by frame. Okay, now it's better. Now move the clip to upward track, that is V2 track. And go to the exact position where we have started the masking. Now at this position, place the second clip just below the first clip. Now play the clip. You will see that the mascara in the first clip reveals the second clip. Great. This is the transition we want. Let's see in the full screen. This is all for this session. Hope you have enjoyed the session. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Take care.